Hello, this is Carlos, and here's the tip number 4. We talked about setting goals, but today's tip is about creating an action plan. If your goal is, for instance, to be in a better shape, you will have to write down exactly the action you should take in order to be in better shape. For instance, you should have it within the action plan, searching for a gym or looking for a trainer, a personal trainer, uh, doing this diet, buying this sort of food, and how to measure my progress, and so on, and so on, and so on. Because unless you take action and you have clear defined the action you have to take, it's hardly to get your goal. So take action, create an action plan to achieve your goal, and you will start connecting with your goal and with your new future. I hope you like this tip. See you soon in next tip. Take care.